Hello there, guys, girls, non-binary people. It's your favorite unsalty cracker. It's your boy, it's Brother Reed, yet again. People with us today, as always, we're joined in the back by our sidekick. I think you guys might know him as the Box. And we also have that propaganda machine with us today, people. We have Alexa. What is Take 5 candy bar?
The Take 5 bar is a pretzel, caramel, peanut and peanut butter filled, milk chocolate coated cookie bar. It was released by the Hershey Company in December 2004.
2004. So anyway, guys, as always, it looks like it's that time. It's time for another exciting, insane, super official, thought-provoking, straight-edge food product review. YouTube's only true 365-day-a-year food product reviewer. We have the Take 5 Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And the shocks continue to come, people. I picked this up for $5.05 for small. So, like I've said before, I believe the Blizzards are worth what they say they are because they're always so good. But, you know, $5 now, it makes my eye itch just thinking about it. $5 for a small Blizzard. So just imagine what a medium or a large Blizzard would cost. It's shocking. So anyway, guys, we're going to give this a review and see what it's all about. And always, guys, remember, if you have anything like read the box art selection review, you got to leave your comment below because if we like it, we might just pick that comment out and review your request next. Thumbnail, we're taking the 5 to try the Take 5 Blizzard. Woo, woo, woo. Alrighty, guys, let's see what $5 gets us today in Brandon's economy. Man, that's good, people. Lord have mercy. Lord. Dairy Queen, the master of the Blizzard. You know, people, I honestly believe that salt mixed with that ice cream is unbelievable. That's unbelievable. I honestly believe, people, if not for this Blizzard, I believe they would be no Dairy Queen. I mean, when I think of Dairy Queen, the first thing I think of, ice cream Blizzard. Right there, ice cream or Blizzard, whichever way you want to look at it. You think of a Blizzard. I'm going to Dairy Queen, and the first thing people say, oh, you're getting a Blizzard. That's right. So that's why I believe, you know, that's why I believe they charge so much for their Blizzards, because they have to. It's what makes them the most money. And they know people will buy it no matter what. Because it's just an American icon, people. And there's nothing quite like an Oreo Blizzard. Even if it's cold outside, people still love their Blizzards. Now, we're right beside a Dairy Queen also, people. It's right behind us there. So we just picked it up here. So this is absolutely amazing. I've said it before and I'll say it again. As good as you imagine this being, it's even better than what you can imagine. They've done a great job with these Blizzards. Spectacular. I've never had anything quite like it. It's so good. Amazing. Got a Reese's and a Take 5 mixed together. And it's the real Take 5, people. It's the real deal. Lord have mercy, it's so good with that salt. They got the pretzel salt with that. That's unbelievable. 5 stars, people. Check out the Take 5, the Reese's Take 5 Blizzard from Dairy Queen. You're not going to be a bit disappointed with it. It's gonna surpass your expectations. That's one thing I will say about this. This is great. If you love the Take 5 candy bar, if you love the Reese's candy bar, if you love Blizzards, check this out. That's so good. It's amazing. Of course, my favorite Blizzard is always going to be the Oreo Blizzard, but this is great also. And that's going to be the official review, people. As always, thank you so much for watching. Me, the Box Archie, Alexa. We'll see you guys, as always, next time we do a review every day, 365 days a year. This is going to give you a sugar rush like none other. And I can't imagine, like I've said in my reviews before, I know it's a small blizzard, people, but how on earth does people eat a medium or large blizzard? Because you know how much sugar's in those things. It's just unbelievable. Just imagine this right here is enough sugar for a lifetime. And people actually, you'll see them eat a whole medium or a large blizzard. I'm like, that is insane. I can't even hardly handle the small. That's what she said. Well, she wouldn't say that though. She would say the small's not big enough. But the point is, you get what I'm saying. Anyway, guys, that's going to be the official review. As always, thank you so much for watching. Check this out. It's another winning blizzard from Dairy Queen. We'll see you guys, as always, next time we do a review every day, 365 days. You have a great day. Thanks for watching. Toodles! Here we go. It's like a gummy worm Starburst. Starburst candy is what it is. Starburst candy, that's gummy worms. Kind of what it's like. It's got the exact same flavor as the Starburst candy. No different. I think I prefer the regular Starburst candy over this though. It's just kind of odd.